Hi guys, today is my birthday, so I decided to start doing my family vlog starting today, and I hope you guys come and join me and my family in our family fun together. Come on guys, let's start now. Do the hula hoop, Charlie.
Can't. Move. You're going.
All right, Freddie. Hi guys, today we're in the backyard. It's really nice out.
And I'm doing my hula hoop.
The kids are playing. Nata's gonna do the hula hoop. Show them, Nat. All right, you got tricks.
And I can do it on my hip.
Show us. Wow.
I can do it on my hand.
Show us. Awesome. What are you gonna do, Freddie? All right, show us.
It's not recording because that.
Charles. Yeah. Freddie wants to do his little pogo stick.
Hey.
His little pogo stick action.
I'm a tech track.
All right. So beautiful out today. What are you doing, Nat? Your
I
foot?
want lemonade.
What do you want?
Lemonade.
We can make lemonade today.
Lemonade.
We can.
Yay. Mommy, look.
Oh, good, Nat.
I want to try.
Yeah, Nat, hold the camera. Let me do it. Let me show them.
I want to do it.
Wait, right after me, let me show them. I'm the one that showed you this trick, guys. Right, let Freddie do it. Failed.
How do you do that? You spin it on your hand. It's hard.
It's hard? I'll let him do the hula hoop thing. All right. All right.
Cool trick.
All right, we'll go make some lemonade. Let's go. You took the lemon?
Yeah.
What are you doing with the lemon? Let Mommy see.
Mommy, look.
Mommy's making lemonade.
Mommy,
I think I need that lemon. You gonna give it to me?
Look what I can do.
You gonna give Mommy the lemon?
No.
I think I need it.
Lemonade. Mommy, look what I.
How's lemonade, guys?
Good. I tried to give Frisky a lemon.
Hey, Frisky!
I tried to give Frisky a lemon,
No, the cat's not gonna like lemon.
but she smelled it and when I tried to give it to her, she backed away.
How was the lemon? Oh, she didn't like it, right?
It was good.
And Charlie is with his PJs. He refuses to get dressed. Yeah, Charlie likes to stay with his Ninja Turtle pajamas. He refuses to change. I'll do it for you, Freddie, because so you won't spill it, honey. How's your lemonade, Charles?
Good.
Good.
Good, honey. Lemonade party.
What are we having?
A lemonade party, he said.
What are we having, Charlie?
Spider right there.
Guys, why don't you say hi to everyone and tell them your names and who you guys are. What's your name?
Charlie. And I like to play with my ball pet and my puppies. How old are you? And four.
How old are you?
4.
You stop burping. All right, what's your name?
Charlie and like play with my puppet and my puppies.
And how old are you?
4.
What's your name?
Natalie.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
What do you like to do?
I like the hula hoop. And do
Okay,
jump rope.
here, Freddie. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Freddie, and I'm 6 years old, and I like to pogo stick.
And you like Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
Right?
And I play Mario.
Super Mario Brother, right?
Yeah. Super Mario 3D World.
What are you doing?
I play Swap Force, and I play with Pop Fizz. I'm gonna. You know who I'm getting torch. No, not torch. Okay, I'll get Hothead. No, who they? Hot dog. No. What is on?
You're playing with bubbles? Why do you have gloves on?
To juggle them.
To what?
To juggle them. Yeah, you need stuff.
Wait, I can't hear you. Why do you have those gloves on?
To juggle that. To juggle the bubbles.
What do you think? The bubbles aren't going to pop if you have the...
Look, it's not popping.
Let's see. Show us.
Okay.
We have to see. Did you get it? No, right?
Charlie, blow me a bubble. Can I see flowers? Oh, can you blow me a
Show us, Freddie.
I can't. Because if I blow it, I won't make
What
it.
is that? A little flower? Oh, I can't see. Ooh, it fell.
It's for you.
That little flower? Let me pick it up.
Charlie, blow me a bubble.
Let's see if you can juggle with those gloves on. Show us.
Blow me a bubble. Okay, I know he can juggle it.
Can I do it? It's not popping?
No. Sometimes it does pop.
So it really doesn't work all the time.
No.
That's amazing.
And got a rainbow.
Oh, he caught the rainbow. It is a rainbow down there. Look.
Wow.
That's what he's doing. Right there's the rainbow. And I was saying, what is he doing?
Got a rainbow.
You got it?
No. Get the
Still
rainbow
there.
kitty. Get it, kitty. Oh, get the rainbow kitty. Oh, because
No, it's not.
Okay. So, guys, we're going on the twisty slide. You go first. Okay, I'll be second, and I'll be third. Ah! What's that spider? Me too.
Ready?
Spider!
Alright.
I can do a cartwheel.
Say goodnight, guys.
Good night, guys.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night. I love
Show them
you.
your little doggy. Your little ball. What is
Ball
it?
pet.
What is it called?
Ball pet.
Ball pet. Come on, Freddie. Say goodnight. Come on, guys. Come on, ready for bed. Tomorrow, school.
Good night, and I do
Spring
not
breaks.
like.
Spring break's over, guys. Good night. I love you.
Good night.
Bye. Natty, I love
I
you.
love you too.
Spring break is over. Time to go
No.
to bed. I know, honey. Tomorrow's school. I love you.
I love you too.
I'll see you in the morning. Sweet dreams.